It's the God in me.
As a disabled business owner, my time is mostly spent writing emails, and before Shopify Magic, probably took me 30 minutes each email.
And they gon' count. Shawty a P31, she putting y'all way before me, yeah, she must be the one. Wisdom come out of her tongue, she gotta go hard, see the poor, she open her arms. And she pray before she see the sun, she been whole stated, she ready for that kingdom come. And the spirit we building the bond, it's three in this pit when we gather, me, you, and the sun. Jesus, your love is efficient, deep in my feelings, I'm praying, I hope that you listen. My father be standing on business, he told me he loved me and he by my side when I'm here. My God showed grace on me, he showed me his strength that day when my flesh run weak. And he sent me a P31, she remind me of me and her love run deep. And they ain't gon' count, I wanna be perfect for God, but I still fall short of your glory. And they ain't gon' count, I wasn't content where I was, forgot you was writing my story. And they ain't gon' count, I ain't standing on 10 when you say you provided, you told me don't worry. And they ain't gon' count, I was riding with a Glock 19, but she told me she still won't judge. I was too far gone, I took my eyes out the Lord and the enemy trying to come off. I lost it all, I was just slipping and sinking, but God, I'm glad that you called me. Just like Elijah, I've been on the run. I see commitment committing and I start to run. I spotted the P31, I looked in her eyes and I knew she the one. I've been feeling different lately, being single to mingle just ain't been appealing lately. Man, I need me a pretty lady that'll step for the Lord to get praise and no hesitation. Man, I've been in the spirit lately. When I pray to the Lord, my flesh started disintegrating. Man, I feel in that sin, man, I thought I was done. But Jesus, he came for a sheep, I had nowhere to run. Shawty a P31, she putting y'all way before me, yeah, she must be the one. Wisdom come out of her tongue, she gotta go hard, see the poor, she open her arms. And she pray before she see the sun, she been whole stated, she ready for that kingdom come. And the spirit we building the bond, it's three in this pit when we gather, me, you, and the sun. Jesus, your love is efficient, deep in my feelings, I'm praying, I hope that you listen. My father be standing on business, he told me he loved me and he by my side when I'm here. My God showed grace on me, he showed me his strength that day when my flesh run weak. And he sent me a P31, she remind me of me and her love run deep. And they ain't gon' count, yeah, and they ain't gon' count. I ain't gon' count.
Forex.com, the #1 Forex broker in the U.S. Part of StoneX, a Fortune 100 company, empowering traders since 2001. As a trusted broker, we allow you to trade with confidence and benefit from a proven record of stability and strength. Try Forex.com today.
TB. Yeah, bro. So, yeah, they were on my. Let me show y'all real quick, because there might be some people that actually watch this, even though I kind of just started off slow. Let me look at that. Yeah, they were on my butt. They were on. I got another subscriber. They were on my butt, bro. Right here.
Okay.
Cause yeah, I was. It was just a bad. It was bad for me. So let's get that out there because that's fake. But actually, no, I don't like that one because I like ICT. But yeah, what they said, yeah, definitely true, man. But I'm gonna get it back, and I'm gonna end up actually passing. But yeah, it was just a bad week, and I just stick with my plan. Hey, light off, air on. You turn the air down.
Yeah, hold on. I gotta find some clothes.
But yeah, so they were on my butt a little bit. No consistency, yeah, I know. Yeah, really rough week. I was going crazy for real. I didn't take anyone's signals, but exactly, yeah. I could have did a lot better. Yeah, I realized. Definitely bad on my part. Y'all can see like my journal. It was a bad week, terrible week, and I just I was over trading a lot. You see, yeah, bad week, lose, win. I won on Monday. Like, come on now. But everything else before that was okay. When I was doing good, I was actually sticking with the plan, doing what I need to do. You know, just when I was blowing, I was doing some. I had like a $50 account, $100 account. So this is me journaling. But yeah. So this is like basically so far what this May month has been like. I feel like this week is gonna be really good just because I basically figured out exactly what I was doing wrong. I took a big L right here and kept losing, but risk management, because I made some of this back, but risk management is it's allowing me to actually not blow accounts. But I gotta get it all back next week though. So that's the plan. And yeah, ain't gonna cap. It was just a rough week. I wasn't sticking with my plan. You see, overtraded almost every day. Like it was just bad. I didn't stick with my plan like the whole week. Honestly, it was just, I don't know. It was just bad. But then I started actually like doing correctly, doing what I needed to do. You know what I'm saying? On these old trades, like I was actually doing the right thing, silver bullet, and I was kind of getting off the silver bullet, and that was really the main problem. Right here is a continuation, but I may look for continuations in silver bullet, but it was a terrible kind of bad week. These are some trades that I seen, but I didn't take because I was at the gym. But then the trade I took when I got to the curb, I think was lost or something. I didn't put enough context on that, but I just gotta stick with the plan. Like Thursday is probably my best days. Thursdays and Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Tuesday wasn't bad. Tuesday is kind of just a bit rough because I chose CPI for some reason. This week was just terrible. So we gonna get it all back. Honestly, like I'm not tripping. Because I know that, yeah, I'm gonna get it back. And I just realized, yeah, I know exactly why I messed up so bad. So I was sticking with my plan. Instead of me actually waiting for a break above the highs or above the low or below the low, then waiting for market structure shifts, I was just taking continuations. And that was the problem. And like, since I didn't have like the exact trade I was looking for, because like my head was just crazy, like my head was just confuzzled or whatever. Since that happened, basically I was just losing. And like now I'm back testing, like yeah, I really realized a lot. Then as soon as Friday was over, I just thought to myself like, bro, what was I actually trading? And I went back and looked at some things like, yo, I wasn't even trading the right thing the whole time. I was just doing whatever, and that's the problem. So I just stick with my plan. So me not sticking with the plan just basically almost blew all my accounts. Even though I got like 2 that's worth saving. I got 1 that's like down like 300, 400. So it might not even be worth saving, but that's really how it be. I'm gonna get it back though. Really not tripping, I promise you. I just know, yeah, I'm really gonna have to turn up this week. But yeah, I just had to look at that because they were really on my butt. They were on my butt right there, for real. So yeah, I just had to look at that because they were really on my butt. They were on my butt right there, for real. Why does it say a chat rate is 1? But I didn't say anything. Nobody said anything at all. Stop wasting your time. ICT is fraud. A lot about everything can never been a profitable trader. Really? I don't know if that's true. There's too many people that talk about ICT. What do you trade? I feel like it's because I mean I just took a trade from ICT, like this back test trade, and it played out. Have you like never had any kind of like luck with them? Cause these trades before this week was just terrible because I wasn't stick with my plan, but this right here, these weeks I've been trading Super Bullet, so it's like I like it honestly. He complicates every freaking principle of trading. I don't know, man. Maybe he does. Honestly, I think it's pretty simple. Like as soon as I got on it, as soon as I got the Silver Bullet, it made a lot of sense to me, and it actually was easy. I just got to stick to my plan. Like the problem with me, I just didn't stick to my plan this week. Last week I just didn't stick with anything. He does, man. He's a fraud. Really? That's kind of hard to believe. Like what? I just know so many of the big traders always talk about ICT. I use ICT. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? So it's just like, fraud, really? Here, I'm gonna do another test real quick. Cause I feel like his concepts are working. At least for me, at least. Yeah, for me it's working, bro. Boom. Got a break above. Now we're just looking for a shift. We might not get a shift. In hindsight, yeah. It's not profitable in hindsight, yeah. Doesn't what's her name? Tanja trades. She trades ICT as well. And she makes some bread. She makes some money. So there's a whole bunch of ranging right here. And it just continues up. And I think my time actually ended right here anyway, so it didn't matter. So this day I would never even took a trade. I would never took a, she sells a course. Tanja sells a course. She sells a course. I didn't know that. Yeah, I didn't know that. So like this day I wouldn't take a trade. What about this day right here? Hold on. I'm just gonna keep back testing this. Oops. Hold on. To the 5 minute. I just don't know, like, why would they even go watch Iman a video about ICT for Vinny video about watch a Vinny video. He's been exposed. Iman? Iman. He's a known liar and a cheat. Iman trading? Yep. So I'm just look up ICT. Is it working? Yeah. Exposing iMan plus my plan to succeed in day trading. What video am I looking for? iMan trading ICT exposed. How a fake guru ruined his life in 2 days by live streaming. This one.
And it just so happens that my strike rate generally is around 90%.
ICT has never been profitable.
Is it 90% or is it higher?
Yeah, it's tough. He has
my
never
personal
shown
trading is
any record of
96%.
profitability.
8 years it's good before the $200 loss, which is all it took to get a sample of what would come later.
There you go. I'm sitting here thinking, how many of you are putting stop loss
Man, like
there?
I don't.
And the 15,000 are watching. Oh, that's 15,000 stop losses right there. Let's run right to that.
And for the final trade of the day, an immediate reversal would make it 3 losses in a row and a total of minus $740.
Some of you might be thinking, well, why did you take 3 stop outs today?
Why is he over trading though? Like, why is ICT over trading? See, the thing is that, like, this is kind of what I was going for, so it's like I don't want to switch my strategy.
Mr. This and that. Okay.
Now for day 2. Surely it goes better with no excuses, right?
Look at that.
Because he can't trade.
You guys are following my stops. If I place my stop publicly, and people are going to be following me in a large degree,
Wait, so, like,
that's
what is he
creating
actually
engineering
doing?
liquidity. There's your stop.
Hold on, let me look closer. So don't listen to this guy. He overcomplicates principles to sell courses, and now people knew. Okay, huh?
You don't think these markets are rigged?
And so after a string of losses, ICT made the smart and professional decision of tripling the trading size from 1 to 3 contracts.
Oh, I feel like, so you don't believe in his concepts at all? So I kind of feel like his concepts are not bad. They just, like you said, he's just kind of doing too much with them. He's just doing the most with the concepts, which I think it works. I just think that, listen, he just repainted all the names. Oh, so so basically it's not his concept. Oh, okay, I see. So he just basically took concepts from someone else and he basically rebranded it like most people do, like ICC, what's his name? Psy? Same thing, kind of. Like, he rebranded basically that. I see. So it works. Concepts work if you use it right, but it's not really his. He just makes it seem like it's his. Okay. That's tough. This is moving too fast. What's up, Doom? What's up, Christopher? What's up, man? So you need to listen to him on YouTube for hours. Oh, I see. Okay, so personally, I don't fit in that category because I don't even listen. I listen to his motivational stuff, ICT, but I just know about Silver Bullet. So do you believe Silver Bullet works? Like, should I keep using that? I don't really want to switch my strat because kind of getting used to it. And it's kind of the best for me. I can trade for an hour and go to work and be okay. Silver is not working a long time because you need a bias. Yeah. So I can understand price action and like how to basically define a bias. I think I see what you're saying. So basically, like for this trade, ICT or a Silver Bullet might not have worked because look, we're actually wanting to clear the highs here. So on this trade, I probably will be looking for like a continuation. So I think basically I need to keep ICT's Silver Bullet as like just maybe one strat to use for a market structure shift if I get one, right? That's kind of what I'm thinking. I can tell like structure and things like that. So like, let's say I'm looking for buys and I do get a break above the high and I'm actually expecting it to buy above this level. I wouldn't even be looking for sales at all. I wouldn't even be worrying about the ICT Silver Bullet just because I just know how liquidity works. So I see what you're saying. Yeah. Ain't gonna lie, bro. This week I just went through though, it's been just terrible because I didn't stick with the plan at all. Like, it works, but not long time. Long term, you say. I only been using it for like a month, maybe like 2 months. No, like a month and maybe a week, something like that. What do you use? What's your strategy? Like this, I would never even took a trade at all. So let's do this. Let me actually like back test pretty nicely real quick. Look, if you want to get one thing out of ICT is the order blocks he's talking about. I got hiccups, my bad, boys. Order blocks. Yeah, I like order blocks. I like using fair value gaps, man, honestly. Because fair value gaps are only gaps in volume that he rebranded. Yeah, so, So, I see what you're saying. So, do you believe that you want to go on the 15-minute time frame? So, what I watched, which this is what I've been doing actually. I'm starting to do at least, is what, Phase MC or Phase SMC, this person right here.
Time
This
to
is kind of
level
what I'm going for.
up and start your business on Shopify,
Watch
the platform
price
made
lead
for
with huge
commerce.
displacements.
Okay, so this is an upper bullet.
Like, so basically, what he's doing on here, right? Let me show you, which you might have already watched it, I don't know. But all he does is go to the 15-minute, find him a, let's say we're right here. 1 hour, hold on. Dang it, that's wrong. God dang it, hold on, bro. Right. So, boom, boom, and boom. Let's go to the 15-minute. We don't see anything really right here, but we got this. This is what I see, right? Boom. Actually, let's change the color of that. Let's do purple. So that right there, right? Let's go to the 5-minute. And basically, like, all he does is, let's say we break structure to the downside here. Boom. Okay, we got the break, right? That's the shift we're looking for. Or not the shift, but that's the break. Now we're just waiting for a shift. On the 1 minute, like we had it right here, 8 these fair value gaps. This is kind of the shift I'm looking for, to be real, but this is honestly fine. So we got this right here. That's where I would take my entry, right? Hoping it'll come down there. And I'm basically doing this right here, and I'm targeting this fair value gap I got put up here on the 15-minute. I'm looking for a 1 to 2, so I'm gonna go up a little bit. So this is what phase SMC has taught me, and this is kind of what I'm going for. If it tapped me back in, does it tap me in? It does not tap. Does it? Hold on. Nah, it doesn't. Ah, man. So I don't get tapped in, but basically that's what I'll be going for. It looks like it would have ran my TP. Looks like it. Maybe not. Well, it didn't. It ran to like just right at this line. So that would be a 1 to 7. So I wouldn't even. I would always go for a 1 to 2. So if I was live trading this, I would have just took it off. But so I kind of like this strategy. It's like remastered. How you feel about that? Which I could have. Would have been better if I took it off this right here. Then I actually probably would have got in off this imbalance. But so let's say I actually got in right here. I'll be targeting this purple line. That's really not enough for me, honestly. But yeah, so that's like the trade that I'm now taking because I just learned this. How you feel about that? It's basically targeting a fair value gap. That's kind of what it did there. So this is like basically Silver Bullet remastered watch price. Oh, never mind. Which I can have a smaller stop loss for maybe that 1 to 2. See, the thing is that I could have just basically I should have just went for this just to start that line and just lowered my stop to a 1 to 2. That would be better. So that would have worked. Let's do another one. Cause this is kind of what I'm going for now. That I like. I feel like it makes sense. And it's remastered. So you are using 15-minute candle, low and high. Yeah, basically like what I did was go to the 1 hour. This one might not to break below or above. Yeah. Yep. Break lower above or lower above, right? And I have the 15-minute fair value gap marked up, so I'm expecting it to basically go to that fair value gap that I had marked up. Let me just go back. So the 15-minute I had this right here marked up. fair value gap, and I would just target this honestly, but since I was just being stupid, I went for that 1 to 2. And I should have actually just moved my stop loss down more, inside of it more, so then I'll have that 1 to 2 instead of actually moving my TP. But basically I would just go for this line right here, go for this fair value gap, and that'll be about it. And I'll just take my entry off the 1 minute after I get a break in the low or a high. Then I just wait for my market structure shift, take my fair value gap entry, and just target that, and that's really about it. So I like that. I think that kind of works, and I just learned that, so I'm kind of going for with that nowadays. And it has, like he said, it has a pretty high win rate. Remastered, and it was 2 weeks ago, so it's remastered for 2024 or whatever. So I think it'll work pretty well. I'm gonna keep testing it real quick. It's phase SMC. So if I do this, boom, which this might not work. 15. Oh my gosh, I'm doing too much. Get that out of here. That candle's open on 9:30. Yeah, yep. So this red line right here, this big red box, the start of it is 9:30, and the end of it is 10 or 11. I'm Central Time, so it's a little bit different for me, but EST is like I think 8:30 to 11, or 8:30 to 10, 8:30 to 10 EST, but CST is 9:30 to 11. So 15 minute, we got fair value gap up here. I'm gonna mark up, boom and boom. I'm gonna change the color to green this time, right? Now we're gonna go on a lower time frame. Wait until we get a break of these purple lines, either higher or lower. Boom. Okay, break high. See, the thing is that now, if this is up here, did he show any? I don't know if he showed any buys, but hold on. Let's see. Broke above high. So usually if it breaks above high, you want to sell lower. Looks like on this trade, because alright, came to that fair value gap, but it looks like it's actually just running. Yeah, it just wants to be a continuation, looks like it. So on this, I probably would never even took a trade, because we don't have any fair value gap below, right? I don't have anything to target. So that being said, I would never even took this trade, because this is the only fair value gap I see. So I actually would like it to. Well, actually, no. I have order block here. Bounce. So yeah, it's just not. It didn't give me that break I wanted, but it tapped it. I could have bought this order block, but honestly, since I'm not trading like that. That's right here. This order block. I'm not trading like that. I'm only trying to use fair value gaps. So I honestly would never even done anything like that. So it just bought right back off this. Yeah. Double bottom. See that right there? Yeah, double bottom, but this is a OB, and it came inside of it. Double tap. It didn't break this low. This is not order block. The displacement is weak. Yeah, we really didn't get a good push. It really wasn't the cleanest, honestly. Knowing me, I probably would have. Hopefully, I don't know. Where at? See the other one? This one right here? When price breaks it? Oh, yeah. Boom. Yeah, it breaks this. Breaks that finally right there. And we came back into this. Not lower. On top of a double. Oh, this. That's the breaker OB. Yeah. Huh. I don't really know about that, man. Displacement down. So, boom, it broke this. Came back above. Yeah, okay. So, it broke this right here. Microstructure shift. Actually, then it basically ate this fair value gap, but it broke this, eating that. Came back down. Didn't want to break. Double tap this area. Came back up, broke this, didn't have this. If we still didn't break this high right here yet. So, okay, I can kind of see why. Yeah, it broke. It retested, then flew. Yeah. Huh. I don't think I would have took this trade though. Just because I'm not used to taking this type of trade, because it's kind of off. It's basically, it's not really off a fair value gap or anything like that. So I would have probably missed out unless. Yeah, I would have to take a continuation, because what I'm looking for is to break under this then go higher, right? But I would actually have to take a continuation here. So what I would have to see if I was actually like in the market during this day, cool, I would have seen this happen, right? Boom, maybe came back down. If I was waiting and waiting and waiting, then eventually we got that break of structure, right? Since I got that break of structure, I'll be waiting for a microstructure shift. And did I ever get a microstructure shift? I didn't. So since I would have to actually analyze that and see that, okay, cool, I didn't get the microstructure shift. Now we're basically going to be looking for a fair value gap continuation at this point, because we're keeping this high. We're continuing here. So either I would have just never took this trade, or either I would have just got in for a continuation. But the thing where I would do it probably would be break above right here, came back into this fair value gap. Probably would have took my entry right here, honestly. Look for encroachment. Target this fair value gap. That's not enough. Like, nah, I would never trade it, bro. That's imbalance, huh? That's imbalance. See, well, actually, yeah, big displacement, that's true. Because honestly, that's not really much. On the 5 minute, maybe it looks better. Yeah, on the 5 minute, like, maybe, nah, it's not that either. All this is kind of trash, honestly. Yeah, you're right. Like, it got that break, but none of this really looks that clean. I probably would have just missed the day, honestly. Go watch the volume profile. This right here, secret volume trading VRPR. Understand volume profile is a must. Yeah, that's true. Because if I don't really get a good break, I mean, honestly, it's not really worth trading. I gotta get a nice clean break, like kind of that last trade. It was a nice break. This right here is just kind of taking its time. So honestly, I should never just traded. I would never even trade this day, because I didn't get like kind of what I wanted to see, and didn't get that. And also, just the fact that it's just so choppy. Yeah, that's so true. Honestly, yeah, I'm gonna watch this video. What? Well, which one is it? So I can watch it after stream. Cause I know, like, from what I know I do need to get that big push. I do need to make sure I like look for that specifically. There's many. Oh, okay, it doesn't really matter. Watch a couple. Okay, cool. You should understand. Is this a trading strategy, or do I just need to look up volume profile trading? I guess it's all the same thing. Okay. So I'm gonna watch this one actually. Volume profile rule. You can make a strategy out of it. Look, book map. Book map. Or wait, what are you saying? It's a chart that only takes into account volume and sell by orders. It's a chart that only takes into account volume and sell by orders. Huh. Just write book map. You'll see. I guess I'll just do book map. So this just shows me like the volume, basically. Volume or book map. What? Book map order flow. Okay, I see this. Oh, okay, so I need like that's true. Yeah, that's true. Honestly, like, look, Brandon, Chad trades, Massey, Brandon trades.
Forex.com, the #1 Forex broker. The Fed is raising the interest rates, signaling trading opportunity.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to yet another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to use Bookmap and how I use it to identify high probability trades. This should be one of the only Bookmap videos that you ever need to watch. So as always, if you guys do find value in this video, make sure to smash that like button as well as clicking that subscribe and that bell icon. It would mean the absolute world to me. We are super close to money. Or if you are on Thinkorswim, you can actually get it for free. If you contact customer service on Thinkorswim, you say, hey, I want Bookmap, they will give you the free version of Bookmap, which I believe allows you to look at ES, Apple, and I believe Microsoft. It's 3 of them. That's what I know. It's entirely up to you which one you go for. If you use the Bookmap app, there are other things that you can add onto it. Like if you wanted to watch Tesla, Nvidia, other individual names, plus this one has more indicators and stuff like that.
Like the volume.
On Thinkorswim.
Can I use like the little volume thingy in TradingView? Is that possible? Or is Bookmap like better? I can also see the volume by candles. That's what I gotta do, bro. Yeah, like this is it's not a good break. This is not the best break. Once you understand volume profile with a strategy that want to make it to I can't speak. A strategy that want to profit from a social move, you'll get the movement. I see, yeah. So honestly, like the best, if we're understanding volume here, right? Only way, even though I was looking for this fair value gap to take the trade off of, or actually get the TP, basically what I would actually wanted to take is this candle right here, because the volume is a lot better on this, right? So if I was on a 5-minute, I would actually want to take this. This is not really a pullback. It's not really a fair value gap. This is the real fair value gap. I mean, honestly, like this is a good volume, right? I would want to take something from here. Nope, you want the one confirming. So this one right here is confirming because the double bottom. So I actually want to take this. Okay, so yeah, I need to watch that video for sure, because switch back to 1 minute, because I feel like yo, put me on game. That red wick is the volume coming in. Here, let me do this, because honestly, 945 wick. Oh, okay, yeah. So yeah, this is kind of big, 3.61. Yeah, there's a lot of volume. Okay. Is that inverse gap, which is violated, break above and retest? Oh, okay. So so this fair value gap. Okay, I see what you're saying. Yeah, okay. Oh, okay. True. So I know about that. See, I gotta think of every component when I'm in the charts, bro, because you know, like when you keep your mind stuck on one thing, it's just like, this is a very strong candle, right? Very strong volume. Comes down. It respects this right here. then it basically gets broken into, and that should have told me everything. Perfect. You're so right. Yeah. So basically, boom, this doesn't hold. Like if it would have held, it would have just took this right here, took that maybe, and just came back down. But since it didn't hold. It's the inverse, right? Boom, inverse. Break above right there. I see. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I see. This is a lot of volume right here on this candle, but so basically I would have actually took this. So boom, we see it broke above, right? So it broke above right here, and you're saying I would have took. Look at all these wicks. Yeah, these right here, respecting it. Oh. Yeah, this. Oh yeah, you're right. What the? You are correct. Yeah, that is crazy. Yeah. It's just liquidity. The institutions won't let the price come back down. Oh yeah. Okay. So, and that basically makes price strong above that area. Yeah, okay. That's crazy. Okay. Yeah, so see how it grinds after? Yeah, true. That's true, bro. It doesn't go right back up. If you see grinding like this. I like that. This order flow. So, okay, so basically this is like, is this like the banks type shit? Excuse my language, Father, please forgive me. But is this like the banks? Because, yeah, like it didn't come anywhere. It definitely respected that, like over and over and over. Print screen this and study it. What's today? Saturday? Oh. Stop. Wait. Hold on. This is a real model. So do you only trade inverse?
New Mr. Clean Ultra Foamy
This
Magic.
is not the right, bro. Why is this song right there? I'm trying to get this the video of that guy you told me the volume. Hold on. I need to get this video right here on there. Delete all that. There we go. So I'm gonna keep that right there as well. This is a real model. Just get a video that explains Bookmap, not how to trade with it. Is this fine? This is the Brandon guy. Yo, that's actually sick. Okay. You know the thing is that I know about that. I just wasn't really even kind of using it as any confluence. But honestly, like, even though I know about it, I didn't really use it. And I feel like this actually opened my eyes more to it. Because that's just an inverse fair value gap. And it's inverse because basically it didn't want to respect. Or actually, yeah, it didn't want to respect that candle. And it continued upwards. So that basically gave you like big buying pressure, right? Gave a lot of people confluence. Like, okay, cool. This big old candle with the high volume, like the most volume out of all these for the most part, did not respect, and it broke. Boom. So me seeing that as soon as it would have broke. Yeah, this is engineering sell orders. On Bookmap, you could see it. Yeah, I gotta watch that video so I can understand how Bookmap really works. Retails are selling on the inverse. Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, that's so true. Cause you would see, okay, boom, this crazy candle, another crazy candle, Yeah, that makes sense. You were expecting probably sales here, but if you're waiting and you're waiting, it didn't want to break. And since it didn't want to break, it made this inverse. They're printing the candle to engineer, but buy stops above. Oh, so it's just manipulation. Dang. Sellers become buyers. Huh. Yeah, that's wild. So, okay. So, oh, yo, wait. Look, what? Yo. Who is this? Zero? Yo, I appreciate you. This is textbook. Wait. Slow down, bro. I gotta write this in my journal, because honestly, if I was looking for, let's say I want to do, because I trade fair value gap continuations, right? So if I'm talking about fair value gap continuations, I'm basically looking for an inverse, or basically a fair value gap becoming an inverse. So I gotta make sure I'm also looking at the volume candles as well. My stream is talking about YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain such viewers will experience buffering. My bad. I don't know why it's doing that. If it's gonna buffer, boys. Sorry. Yo, Zero. Okay, yo, that actually helped. I use Bookmap to see exactly how the orders. Okay, I need to really figure out how to use Bookmap for next week. Like ASAP. Here, hold on. I gotta put my Discord in the chat so you can join me. You don't have to, honestly. You really don't, but cause I kind of want to learn how to use Bookmap real quick. Hold on. I want to get that and like really understand how to use it, because I really need to get better, like kind of just telling volume. See, like I'm glad I actually know about that, because now I know, okay, cool. I can actually take fair value gap continuations like that with no problem. Hold on. Yo, that's actually sick. Wait, looking for fair value gap become an inverse fair value gap with high volume. And okay, basically I'm just put this exact screenshot as a Discord. That's actually, yeah, that's definitely textbook. Some people made their own strategy using ICT words. I see. Huh. I gotta make sure I'm looking for inverse fair value gaps, bro, because that's actually wild. Wait, let me do some more back testing real quick. So we're basically just looking at this right here. Actually, let's just redo that, and let's just put specifically this area. Dang it. Come on, G. There you go. This area specifically. And I'm just gonna put this right here. Did not respect. That's fire. But it grinds down, don't take it. You want to see inverse volume gaps getting violated and enter on the retest. It's okay, but ICT can't freaking trade. If you see a double bottom forming but it grinds down, don't take it. So if I see a double bottom, so if this double bottom, boom, but then it starts grinding down, don't take it. Okay. See, if in my head, if it would have broke this, I'll be looking for a market structure shift, then targeting this fair value gap, right? That's what I'm looking for a silver bullet, right? But if I was looking for a continuation, I'm basically looking for a fair value gap that has been inversed like so with high volume. take my entry then. You want to see inverse volume gaps getting violated, enter on the retest. If it grinds down, you don't take it. This inverse fair value gap could sweep the low. If it gets violated back up, you get your shift. You look. Oh, okay, facts. Okay, yeah. So, 100%. Oh, I see. Bro, you're blunt. Okay, I'm glad I'm streaming this. So now I can go back to this whole stream. You are correct. So, like, even if, like, yeah, basically.
Jaden, is that you that keep opening the blinds?
I'm not opening nothing. I'm just slapping my hands.
No, the blinds in there. Did you open it today?
Yeah. Okay. You look good. You want to grab your booty? Okay, bye.
You
Leave.
kiss them?
No.
You gonna come in the room soon?
Yeah, later. I'm locking in right now. Hold on. Yo, she almost made me forget my. Alright, so I see what you're saying. So either way, like, yeah, it could continue down if I don't get that break above. I see what you're saying. So honestly, I wouldn't even take this. I would be taking this trade right here, right? Like this trade right here, because this is the inverse, right? It didn't hold this. It came above because you're basically saying if it just broke this, but then it could also continue down. But we're looking for a full market structure shift right here, right? So boom, it broke that. Now we can come back down into here and take our buy, right? Is that? Yep. Let's go. I'm glad I'm streaming this, bro. What the? Exactly. That's simple. That's so simple. Okay. Now I know how to take my fair value gaps, continuations. And then what? You see the grinding? Yeah. After. Facts. You can add to your position. Yo, I've actually, yeah, okay, so I kind of do that now with the fair value gap. The fair value gap, because this confirms the model. I see. So, wow, yo, that's actually, yo, I appreciate that, bro. I appreciate that for sure. Like, okay, honestly, I don't think I even need bookmap because I can look at the candle here and look at the, the volume thing right here and see that, okay, cool, the volume's very high, right? But I don't know if, just look at this again and again. Yeah, for real. I'm gonna go back to the stream. That's fire. Backtesting ICT silver bullet. Let me also put / fair value gap continuations. I'm gonna come back here always. You can make money out of this model on every instrument. Fire. So do you only use this, or should I even use silver bullet? I think silver bullet works. The whatever ICT renamed it, the silver bullet, whatever. I'm not even gonna say that. I'm just gonna call it fair value gap displacement or something. I use traps patterns. I don't really know about that. Look, Joseph James. He's a freaking good mentor. He's 100% more legit than ICT. NVIDIA Spike strategy. NVIDIA trap could be easy money tomorrow. Bear trap. He's 100% more legit than ICT. What video should I watch? The crown reversal is so common on NQ and ES. Crown reversal. All of them. Batman. You will learn a lot. Crown reversal could be your biggest. Alright, okay, I got some videos to watch then. And I'm gonna just put this.
Alright guys, back to work. Back to work, boy. Pretty good day today. A lot of students making money this morning in the trade room, getting those bear traps off support levels. Hope you guys made some money as well. Now, talking about tomorrow though, we are in a beautiful spot for a nice big bullish reversal, but there's one problem. There's one big problem on the 60-minute. But don't you worry though. I'm gonna give you guys a pretty easy game plan to work around that problem.
I'm not gonna watch it right now on stream because I'm gonna keep backtesting, but I'm definitely gonna watch these 2 videos. Brandon something and this guy. Which, do you think I still need the book map if I can just learn these trap patterns that he talks about? Search for them. Come on, bro. Joseph. How do you spell it? Hold on. Make sure you understand how order flow works. Bookmap is a very good tool to learn. Which is what you want to go, what you want to confirm in your trade and add to it. Juice your winners. Cut losses short. Trap patterns. My spelling's kind of off right now. Hold on. This right here, bear trap. Oh, he just has a whole bunch of them. Here, let me just put this in here too. Just watch his couple of last 5 videos. His last 5 videos, watch them. These 5 for the last week. For the last week. This is this week. So this week right here, bull trap and explains. Okay, so I guess you just want to watch like. I'm just gonna do all these. How about that? Is that good? Just these, like basically these right here. Watch these. Okay. Study the patterns when you can. Spot them. You will see exactly what I just showed you. But it's a variable. You always see an inverse volume gap getting violated and a retest. The A grind, then dang, wait. Huh, that's actually sick. V bottom does it. V bottom. Double bottom does it. If you don't see this, it's a false positive. So double bottoms, I know about that. V bottoms, I think I know what you're talking about, like something like this, or like this, or what do you mean? If you don't see this, it's a false positive. Nope. So this is definitely a double bottom. I see that. So V bottom is the drop we had. Oh, this from ATH. No drop from ATH. What's ATH? All time high? Yeah. Watch all time high on Q. Oh, let me just go back to the official start. Watch on 5 minute. Let me get rid of all this right quick. So all time high was over here, right? Yeah. So breaks all time highs. You basically just wait for a market structure shift, right? grind above. Huge displacement, yeah, broke this right here, fill this gap, broke this. Honestly, this is really enough. Broke that, came back up to this. Is there fair value over here? No. Yeah, fair value, no. There's one right here, it didn't come to that, so it had to be one around here. But came back up, tested a fair value gap or something. Maybe just tested this order block. Then it just boo-booed and boo-booed the fan, right? Okay, yeah, it just boo-booed from there. But that's why I wouldn't take this trade, but trust me, when price comes back here, expect a huge reaction. Comes back to the V, the all-time high. So are you expecting, I'm expecting it, if it comes back up there, I think it's going to probably sweep this liquidity to the downside. What do you think? I mean, honestly, it could continue, but what do you think? Why did I say my category is gaming? What the? How do I fix that? This is education. There we go. The sweep up already happened. It's going up to the V top. I see, yeah. So okay, if I was looking at the high time frame, yeah, it's a lot of liquidity down here, but it's too far to even sweep, right? So boom, we came, like we actually filled this. Encroachment, almost. So boom, it did that. Then it could just continue to fill this a little bit more, then go up, then break that. That's not bad. Yeah, watch out. I'm trying to learn.
Oh no, I just wanted to give you a pick.
Big orders from SSI to there. It's going up to the V top, then it will grind back down. Yeah, it won't break. Big orders. Big orders from institutions are still there, waiting to get filled. Huh. Oh, so you think it's gonna go back up, then sell back off again? After a break? Wait, hold on. That's why I wouldn't take this trade, but trust me, when price comes back here, expect a huge reaction. Yep, the sweep already happened. It's going up to the V top. When you see a huge displacement like this,
I'm good.
when you see this like this, all at the same time. There's always leftovers. This is why order block works. I see. Yeah, okay. Huh. So that's why it works. So you think that they creating a displacement? There's leftovers. So you think it's gonna come back up here, then continue to boo boo? Boo boo. This is the level you want to spot a model. Oh, when it comes, oh, you're right. Yeah, my fault. I'm stupid. Cause double top, basically like, yeah, that's basically what happened. So, if let me do this. Yeah, you're right. I don't know. I'm being so slow to it, trying to read the text. So if this is what you expect is gonna happen, right? So maybe a little bit pulled back down, boom, something like this, you know, whatever. Come back here, then you think it's gone. You know, do some stuff like this. I get that, right? Something like this, right? And you maybe sweep all this. Yeah, it's just a fractal on the higher time frames. It will stop just below the box. Engineer liquidity. So maybe run above. It will stop just below the box. Engineer liquidity, run above. Sweep those stop limits. True, huh? Yeah, you're right. Trigger buy stop for another. Then drop. Trigger buy stops for another all-time high, then drop. Market needs energy to move. Huh. So from the people that still have sales in, it's gonna come back up, trigger their stops, boom. Now from there it's gonna boo boo. Yeah, so it's just trying to come up and take out other people, sweep that liquidity again, because there's people still probably in the sell maybe. I see. So retail will try to short on the recent, and it will have made recent high. It will have it's a little heart, and yeah, recent high it will made. Okay. This is where you want to spot a reversal trap. Watch Joseph. Yeah, okay, I gotta watch that, bro. Let me know what I need to watch exactly, because I didn't really get to figure out which videos to watch. You said the last week one, so this is this week. This is last week. Bull trap, perfect pullback, the CPI spike, PPI squeeze, bull trap, fake out breakouts. So these days right here. Joseph for the trap patterns, he got it down. He's the best I've seen for these traps. Does he use the book thingy as well, or the book map? No? Okay, he doesn't. At this point, when you see price action, you can see the other flow. This is crazy volume. 61K, 100K. So this is good volume. So I can just, honestly, what I can do is just look at the volume by just pressing or hovering over the candle. The grinds or the displacement. That's fire though, like, okay, so yeah, you put me on game. I got everything put in this journal, so I gotta really make sure I watch Monday or Sunday. That wick. Monday. Mark the low of the candle. Last candle we made. The below wick. This one? No, Friday. Oh, Friday. Okay. This Friday. So am I doing like my strategy, or mark the low? Like the very, very low, like this? Inverse fairy got violated. Oh, I think I know what you're saying. Wait, hold on. So boom. No. Last week. No. Only need this candle. The bullish wick is going to get taken down. Yeah, sweep this. I was kind of thinking that too. See, like when I see a big imbalance like this, watch for inverse violated. When I see a big imbalance like this, I'm expecting encroachment, at least encroachment to 0.5 or 0.68. 0.618. So you're expecting it can go to the 0.5 point. Yeah, so that's so true. Yeah, so you're expecting this to happen, right? Or at least what we want to see. So this is gonna eventually sweep this, right? Sweep this, goes for encroachment on Monday, because Mondays usually it sells off. Tuesdays it kind of starts moving back to where it needs to move, right? And I think probably by Thursday, it should, maybe by Wednesday, Thursday, it'll be back up here trying to sweep these highs and selling off. All right, so you're expecting this to happen, right? Boom, sweep this. Let's go to the 5 minute. Sweep this low into this February gap, or back to encroachment, which encroachment is down here. Which honestly, let's say I was running my model, the model I look for, I can be either doing this right there, pretty, but the retest to the all-time high, pretty sure we just sweep to 0.50. And let me go back to the 0.50 real quick. Let me get all this stuff off my chart because it's weird. So let me go to the fib right quick. Boom, 0.50 is right here, and that's right in between my fair value gap. That's crazy. That's crazy. So right in between that fair value gap, I just marked up on the 15 minute. So boom, that's fire, bro. Wait, hold on, bro. Hold on, this is crazy. Pretty sure we just sweep to the 0.50. It's right in it. It's confluence. So yeah, usually when I look for encroachment on a really big imbalance like these, like, you know what I'm saying, imbalance, look for encroachment, right? So boom, I got my fair value gap I'm looking for on the 15. Let's say like I'm running my model, right? 15 minute, right? You're expecting it to come down here, or maybe even lower, a little bit lower or whatever. At least maybe to the 0.50, right? That's where I expect it to come to, just the encroachment, right? Boom, touches in there. We're looking for 1 minute. We're looking for a watch inverse gets violated, retest, fly, grind. So you like to use grind, add to position. So that's gonna make me pass my account. See, like my thing, like let me show you my top step. I'm down on top step bad right now, bro, because this week I had last week has been terrible. Like I got beat up. But let me show you my top step account, bro. You think if I pass, I wonder if I still pass, like will they actually give me the account? It really doesn't matter, I guess, because like they kind of got to. Like if I pay that 150 and I pass all 3 accounts, and you know, they kind of got to, I think. But yeah, last week was rough. I wasn't sticking with the plan, but now I gotta like get together, and I realized how bad I was. Top say you need your big day to not overtake your 50%. Yeah, true. So look, I'm down 1,300 on this account, bro. Like, that's tough. Just go 300 risk, 600 profit. 3 contracts. 3 contracts. What? Micro or mini? 40 tick stop. 3 contracts on micro. If your entry is good on this model, mini, 3 minis. That's it. I've been trading 5 minis. Oh, 5 micros. I'm tripping. 3 minis. Pfft, that's crazy. 3 minis on NQ. Jeez. Yeah, I definitely should take a 1.5K like easily. Nah, 3 minis gonna blow my account if I lose. I might just take that. Well, you said stop loss at 300, so I guess it's fine, honestly. You don't want to waste months on freaking combines, bro. Yeah, you're true. You're right. You are absolutely right. I am wasting months. I kind of need to get these. Go for 300 risk on 40 tick stop. Do this. Ooh, oh, hey, a lot might do it just because you just taught me. Don't move or stop. Go in your setting. Look at my top steps, bro. My accounts are hurting right now. I can't lie. Go for profit and risk factor. My accounts are hurting. Set 300 risk, 600 profit. Yeah. I'm new to futures. I was trading forex before, but yeah. So like with futures, like it's different because you can put as much risk as you want to, as long as you have like a stop loss or whatever. And I just realized that like last week, bro. I realized so much last week, and I'm like, okay, that's why this week I'm about to take over, bro. Like I realized like what I've been doing wrong. I realized I wasn't sticking with my plan. Like my risk management is fine. Like bro, I lost so many trades last week because I was wanting to stick with my plan. I lost so many trades, but I still have all 3 of my accounts. So my risk management is not bad. So I just got to get the plan down completely. Like, I have the plan. I just got to stick with the plan. I'm gonna be okay. Especially what you just told me. Futures is king. Go to the gear on the left. I'm trying to help you. Look at these accounts though, bro. That one's down so much. This one's down so much. This one's like almost to 48,000. Like yeah, I'm getting burnt right now, bro. But it's all good. I'm gonna make it all back. 300 profit, 300 profit, 600. What do I do? Oh, position. Oh, okay. So risk. Don't care about the loss. 300 profit, 600. How does this work? Like, what does this mean? So you can automatically apply your risk? I didn't know that. It adds limits on your positions? I didn't even know that. What? That's crazy. Then you mark it by auto sets. Yes. Yeah, auto sets. Dang. So when I press. So do I click save? So now you got a 40 tick stop on 3 contract. Oh, I see. Yeah. Yo, what do you recommend? So like, maybe I shouldn't even worry about it now, but once I actually get funded on these 3 accounts, what do you recommend? Like actually I risk and stuff like that? Because I mean, you know, maybe I shouldn't be worrying about that, honestly, because I gotta get past first. I'm gonna save. So this basically allows me, okay, cool. Let's say I take a trade. Top Step is fire then, bro. Like, yeah, sick. You need $200 on 5 days for a payout. Yeah, so I would have to, like, let's say I take risk 200. So basically, after I pass these combines, right, I sell 3 contracts. You switch to micros. Make 15 micros. Oh, make 15 micros. Like actually like profit 15 micros. Instead of 3 contracts, you switch to micros. Instead of 3 minis, you switch to micros, because you can't split minis. Micros will be a 1.5 mini. You can't. Really? That's fire. So you go on micros. 15 micros will be 1.5 mini. You can't. So you go on micros. I see. So I need to risk 15 micros. So stop loss is gonna be $200, but I risk shoot for 1 to 2. Shoot for 1 to 2s only. So okay. Once I get the combines passed, do I just do this right here, risk 200 and profit 400? Is that what I'm doing here? Once I get it passed? Okay, I see. All right, bet. So the profit, shouldn't you size down for the first time trying to strat on Tuesday because one wrong move and you're wiped out? Yeah, it's true. It's not clear you would trail an ad if you see a grind. I know it's hard. Why size down? I mean, honestly, bro, I was running like minis the whole time. I was running like 1 mini, and I would just profit like 500 for the day, and that was like kind of what I was going for, 500. Like, bro, I just had a really terrible week. Like last week, I just didn't stick with my plan, bro. It's stupid. And like, yeah, bro. And I learned so much last week too. I'm never trading news again, bro. Never trading Mondays. I lose almost every Monday. I've been losing, so Mondays are dead for me. I only trade Tuesday through Friday. Like, this is one trade I took. I think this hit my TP. This hit my TP, I think. I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. But this is that model I just showed you that I hit, because you can't freaking pass every month. He wants to pay step. He top step every month because you can't freaking pass. What's your risk? You don't have risk on. Oh yeah, my bad. Let me fix that. 300 to 600. I'm curious on how this is gonna look when I actually place a trade though. Yeah, it's only 300, but he's down 1300 already. 2 bad trades and it's blown, plus just size down to get some reps in before going to 3 minutes. This is freaking basic stuff. Yeah, I'm down. Yeah, I'm down a lot, bro. Last week, bro, just tore me up. So I wasn't sticking with the plan. I can get back up, but you know, it's just gonna take some time now, honestly. I'm down 1600. Jesus. If you think like this, once he gets back in green, he won't last a month. Still, will have to pay next month. Well, I'm trying to help you. Yeah, I'm fine with paying. I'm fine with paying next month. This is only $20 each, so this will be like $60 out of my pocket for all 3 of these. But yeah, still I understand for sure. See, the thing is that I'll definitely try this out. I'm patient in like taking my trades. Like I can wait and then take my trade. Like I know what I'm doing, like with the patience. My problem was mainly I just didn't stick with my plan. If I was stuck with my plan, I'll be fine. But I just didn't stick with my plan. And you know, consistency needs that. I might just honestly, like, I don't care if I blow this account because it's only $20. So if I make a plan ahead, yeah. I mean, bro, I promise, like, I realized, yeah, how bad I did this week, and I understand like why I did so bad. So I got a whiteboard. I wrote everything on there. Wrote down my plan. Basically, all I'm gonna be doing is basically risking $200 a trade. Basically risking $200 a day. Boom, risk that $200. If I lose, I lose. If I lose $200, and I'm done. I'm going for like a 1 or 2, so $400. So what you said with the 200 to 400 is exactly what I'll be going for. If you pass combined, you pay 150 for XFA, then what? Yeah, that's true. So yeah, I gotta pay 150. You're not even profitable. That's facts. Nah, for real. Yeah, I gotta work on that for real. I feel like 300 to $600 though. I feel like that's a good risk for passing combines. Cause honestly, I was just kind of doing more of like, I was just doing like 250. Now I'm going a little bit lower because I lost so much. I see what you're saying though. Like, yeah, for trading the combine, I just need to kind of just get through it. You know, I get it. Yeah, I know. Yeah, it was rough. Like honestly, like I was doing good until last week. I was doing good until last week. Like my win rate is terrible right now too. I was up in profit on all those accounts last week. Before this week happened, last week happened, like the week before last week, I was doing good. Then last week just basically blew everything out. But 300 to $600, yeah, I'll definitely try that, man. Like, honestly, I'm not tripping if I lose this account. I'm gonna be streaming all week, so I'm at least try to stream this all week because I'm having problems with my job right now, so I kind of gotta like do a little thing different. But if you want to trade micros, go for at least 200 risk. How does 5 micros and 5 micros with doing $200 risk sound? Is that, I think that's okay. Going for a 1 to 4 or 1 to 2, going for $400. I think that's kind of not bad. One tick is 0.50 on micro, 1 micro. Huh. See, nah, that's not, no, I see what you're saying. Like, honestly, doing $200 risks. Nah, fam, like, honestly, I'll just do the $300. I mean, honestly, like, let's be real. I'm gonna do so much better next week. I know for a fact I'm gonna do better. Like, I'm not saying that I'm gonna win some trades. Like, I don't want to even go to the market thinking I'm gonna win, but I just know I'm gonna do so much better because I know I'm gonna stick with the plan now. And like, it was just too late. Like, it was, be patient. Yeah, definitely. Mark your levels. Exact, bro. I swear I was doing so good, bro. And last week just tore it all apart. And I gotta be consistent, so it just sucks, you know. But last week was just rough. Watch for a model or a trap. Watch for a model, Watch for a model, a trap, or a double bottom. Inverse volume gap violated. Internal retest. Yeah, bro. So I'm probably just do both. Like, I'm gonna stick with the silver bullet, what I just showed you, kind of what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna also just do the I'm also gonna do the inverse fair value gap, market structure shifts, and enter in on a retest. I'm gonna do that every time now. Those two is all I'm gonna use now. Inverse volume gap violated, enter on a retest, put risk on. I think I put them on for, yeah, 300 to 600. So basically, once I click buy in the area, or if I think a lot of traders actually took some concepts and made them twist. Oh, okay. So if I actually click like market sell, market buy, then it'll basically boom 300 loss and 600 profit instantly. Or like, let's say I put a limit buy or limit sell. If I put limit buy or limit sell, it'll do the same thing, I guess. Oh, okay, I basically see what it is. So it's basically just a preset TP and preset stop loss. So let's say I enter right here. Let's say I enter right here and my take profit's right here. Let's say my take profit is this line right here. And my stop loss is this right here. Let's say this is my stop loss, this is my entry, and this is my take profit. That's basically how it is, right? 600, 300, and not entry, right? It will auto your TP and SL to match on the funded account. Yo, yeah, okay. So I'm glad you actually told me that, because that's actually gonna help. You have to make your risk. Honestly, on the funded, bro, all I'm be doing is risking. You have to make your risk more consistent than your profit. That's true. I was honestly thinking about risking just 150 to make 300. That's kind of what I was thinking about for when I actually get funded. When I actually like get funded. Show me your trades. I was actually thinking about just doing that. How do I do that? We can't count less. We can't count last week though, because last week was terrible. I can't lie. Last week was just something else. Something else was in my body last week, bro. Yeah, my risk was +sign trades +sign drag to bottom. Oh, that's sick. Okay. White +sign. Do you want to show last week, or we can show everything? That's fine, but last week was rough. So like pretty much 120. Show everything. 65, 82, 127. I was over trading like a bit. Get me. See my risk? Like I was taking. Yeah, it's very inconsistent. Why is this? Oh, that was because I was trying to get used to the platform. Like right here, it started off rough. You don't think they'll let me pass? You don't think they'll let me get my XFA? Maybe on one account. I think I'll get it in. You will get it. They will not fund it. Like right here, it wasn't too bad. But kind of meh. See, I took a big 250 loss and I made 365 back. I think I do also blame the fact that I'm kind of new to futures. Like right here was rough. Yeah, it's not consistent enough. That's definitely true. I had a rough start. These are all on the same day. Big hit. I start getting back up there a little bit. But it's, yeah. It's kind of like I've been just scalping more. Kind of just like scalps for real. Like get out 45, get out 45. Then like lose it again. Like, yeah, I'm not really letting it sit long enough. Yeah, this actually tells me a lot more. Cause like right here, just scalping, scalp. But the whole time I could just let it sit. You are entering trades without confidence, which is in turn crushing your confidence. Yeah, especially these right here. For sure. I think risk 300 or 200 or even 100. Don't freaking go break even. Let it run. That's facts. If it grinds and complete your setup, add to it. Yeah, that's true. Like I would like get in a trade, let it like run to like maybe $300 profit or whatever. Let it run a little bit, then just take it off. Then just get back in on like a pullback or whatever. That's not terrible, but honestly I could just like, yeah, definitely let it wait. Nah, Christopher, I really don't need any sugarcoat. Honestly, I'm trying to get better. So kind of need I need the real truth, the honesty. I feel like if I do, risk 300 or 200 or even 100, don't freaking go. Break even, let it run. If it grinds, complete your setup, add to it, trail the profit. Only move your stop to break even when you add to your position. Either way, you should always only see 100, for example, on your lost trade. Yeah, true. Yeah. It's definitely inconsistent. Like 130, 295, 240, 155, 65, 145, 110, 225, 40, 30, 5, 75, 75. Like, yeah, it's definitely very inconsistent. Like, not specifically like kind of how this is right here. So that's actually, I think this actually should help me a lot. So what I'm gonna do is actually, let's just do 200 for now. 2 and 4. I know I do need a plus. Maybe I can just do it for specific ones, because I got them all following. What I think I actually need to do, so instead of, because I think the one I'll be closest to actually passing would be this one, right? So instead of having it all follow each other, I'm just gonna do this. Just take this account. Dang it, wait, hold on though. Right, then what I want to do is take this one, like to take the accounts that are almost about to blow up, then okay, I'll put those together. But the one that I think most likely like higher, have a higher rate, you should always only see 200 on your lost trade. Just do this, let it play out. It will help you so much. Adding to position is hard. We are confident on it. This is when you start to pull money off the market. So for this one specifically, I'm so close to, like, I'm not so close, dumbass. Excuse my language, Father, please forgive me. But since this one right here, I'll be more likely to get closer to passing with this one. I'm just gonna do 200 to 400 risk on this one. And the ones that have floor drawdown, I really don't care about as much. Like, okay, cool. If I blow, I blow. Can I do it? I'll just do 300 to 600. If this works like that on these. Nah, okay, it doesn't. Well, I kind of got to do the same risk then. Never mind. Honestly, well, see, I'm kind of leaning more towards what you say. Just follow one account, 200 risk is fine. I'm kind of leaning more towards what you say though, because that is true. Like, I'm gonna be trading these $200 risk with $400, right? Be doing that with 5 micros, right? But it's gonna take me a lot longer to pass. Cause now, well, even though I gotta get out of drawdown, it's gonna take me longer to pass. So either way, it doesn't matter. Like you say, they might not even allow me to be funded or anything like that. I feel like maybe one of them be good, but you know, ain't no telling. We shall see. We shall definitely see. I think if I just get, now that I have like specific risks down, I think they'll see, okay, cool, maybe I got my act right. Get skin of the game. Try to get it back up. Yeah, definitely. So the only way like they actually might fund me is if I get a whole new account. But for right now, I just need to trade these for, like, you know, just try it out. I've lost a lot more learning combines, small fees that's learning trading my own account. Just go for one. Yeah, I definitely do that. So specifically, like for now, do you think I should just leave one account out and just trade these two, or just should I just have all of them follow one account? If I blow, I just blow everything, you know? What do you think? Or should I just keep one on the side and just let it charge me? Like take it, like maybe take the same trades but just different risk and not let it follow. All of them follow one. Okay, that's kind of what I was thinking. Because I might as well do that, to be real. Especially if I'm gonna blow anyway at the end. Which I feel like, honestly, I think I have enough discipline to keep my accounts. I just gotta stick with the plan and kind of learn a little bit more, like you say. Like that's the biggest problem right now. Don't bother trading 3 accounts. This is the lowest count, but whatever. Yeah, if I pass, I have to pay 150. Yeah, I know that. So it's $450. Yeah, to put risk on. Yeah, I do know that from your pocket. So do you actually like trade one? Trade one, pass it, pay the fee, slow down. So do you believe they won't fund me at all? So like, let's say I pass one, right? I leave the rest alone. I pay the 150. Do you think they'll actually like pay me out? Or this way you'll never get refunded? They will let you stay on XFA. What do you mean they won't let you get funded if you're a proper 5 days with 200? See, okay, maybe I'm looking at it wrong, because he said that hold on, I'm scrolling up. See, I can see this is on 20, bro. I can tell you right now, even if you pass the combine, they will never allow your XFA to get funded. So that's kind of what I'm saying. Will they even allow me my XFA to get funded? They will pay out, but they will never copy your trades. There's another step after XFA. They analyze your trading and then fund you. Okay, so you're saying like fund me with like live funds? Okay, so but I can still trade simulated capital to eventually get payouts after taking 5 trades of 200, right? So after XFA is a real funded account. So there's combine, XFA, then real live, right? Those are the kind of 3 steps. Combine, XFA, real live funded. I see, okay. And I guess people just want to make it to the real live. I see. Okay, I see. So okay, so I can still possibly, if I pass, then still get some payouts. Okay, so it's possible. That's possible, but it's possible, but I just might not get the real live funded. Zero, what's the benefit to a real account for a wait for the opportunity? Yeah, what's the benefit of the real account? Cause I don't really know too much. You don't have to get 5 days. Oh, okay, I see. You just 200 profit for payout. Oh, I see. So you just trade at your own leisure. So my risk has been basically just been, my risk has been inconsistent. Even though like I'm still alive in the accounts, like I have enough like sense to actually get out the trade and stuff to keep the accounts, but my risk isn't consistent, right? So that's not really, that's not where I want to be. This right here is gonna help so much. Like now I don't have to even worry about it. But see, the thing is that I don't know why I thought futures was kind of like you need to have risk consistent. Yeah, exactly. But you still would have to pay the 100 a month for a real account. It's the backbone. See, I just not realized that that's how you have to calculate risk in futures. So basically you can put as many contracts as you want, but if it goes to the amount of risk that you have, like the actual risk, so let's say I'm $200, right? If it goes to there and I have 5 contracts of minis in, that's my risk. Like I see that now. Now I understand that. Like before I just didn't even know that at all until like Thursday, Wednesday. Honestly, but that makes sense. Like that makes a lot more sense now. So if I put one contract of one micro, which will be it'll honestly take me forever to get to 200 at my stop loss, because I'm risking a lot less. That's how futures works. So that makes a lot more sense. But honestly, that doesn't really give me much of an excuse for not having my SL in. One micro is 0.50 per tick. 50 cents per tick. Yeah. So I wonder, so if I use let's say I use 5 micros, 200 SL, 400 take profit. I wonder if that's a 1 to 2. I think you can do it in Top Step, use a long position. So let's say 1 to 2 was right here. Apply a long position, double click on it. Oh. $500 ticks. Account size is your 50K. I didn't even know you can do this. Hold on. 50. Lot size. So how do I know if this lot size? I think is 2 for a micro. Risk is 200. Ticks. You said 40 tick stop loss. I need to start doing that too, setting a stop in TP and not touching it. My problem is I always take my profits too early before I hit my TP. Go for a 40 tick stop. Bro, like, that's just crazy because, like, I feel like my problem is really just not sticking to the plan. For one, when I was trading Forex, I understood the risk management more, so I was able to, yeah, okay, do this, do that. But now I'm at the futures, I kind of got to get used to it. But also, me switching over probably just messed it up. Honestly, having like my risks already set, it's definitely gonna help, but I should have been doing that in the first place. See, dang, that's crazy. Cause when I was trading up Forex, like I would let my TPs ride. Place your long there. Go look at the double bottom. Where is that double bottom at? Where was that at, honestly? I don't know where that was. See how much risk you have to take? I gotta find where that was. Oh, you're right, yeah. Come on, G. Can I zoom in? There we go. That is, hold on. Right here, boom. Tuesday, 9/10. Tuesday. Silver bullet. Right here. On the 1 minute. There we go. Was that the 1 minute we were on? Tuesday. That's Friday. Back. Oh my gosh. Hold on. Right here. There we go. Boom. See screen sometime. All right. So boom, inverse right there gets made inverse, broke or high here, market structure shift, and we honestly, where I would take my entry because it's the imbalance, and this is actually a fair value gap. I would just take it at encroachment. So let's just be really, bro. I would have took it honestly right here. This is where I would have took the trade. But let's say we took it from encroachment at the 0.50. Be right there, right? Because it's just a big imbalance. Boom. And we're gonna last bearish candle. To be honest, I would have took it right when the inverse got broken. So for me, I feel like, so it coming right here, is that broken for you? Because I would have took it like once it broke this market structure shift, then I would have took it, right? Because okay, or I would have waited for it to come back down, but I would have took it just knowing that it broke right when the inverse got broken, violated. Nope, push above. Yeah, same. So boom, it broke market structure shift, it broke this. So you would have took it from, you can't wait for the retest, but it can literally go fly above and never come back. So as soon as this candle would have closed, you would have just took buy. I'm out, Doom. Catch you on the next stream. All right, bro. Yeah, I see you soon, man. I'll be on next week, man. I'm gonna try to slap the markets up, not close. I appreciate you stopping by, bro. Not close, literally. Pushing above the inverse. Dang, really? Bro, you have some balls. You have some balls, bro. I would have to wait until this broke, then got in from down here. But you're saying that, so boom, as soon as it pushes this up, like, let's say it's right here, you just just get in. This confirmation. That's crazy. I would have never done that. Risk on, like, okay, dang, you got some balls, because stops below the inverse, so you would put it right here, so you would have did this right here, boom, and as soon as it broke above it, right, as soon as it broke that, boom, it broke that entry right there, and you're putting it right below this inverse. So below the inverse or whole low. That is crazy. Nah, I would have never done that. I see why you're probably eating right now, though, because honestly, you would have cleared a lot of bread. Dang, boy, you would have cleared a lot of bread. That's crazy. Oh my gosh. You would have cleared everything. That's crazy. That's wild. But honestly, if I was just going for a 1 to 2, that would be it just right there. Yeah, I'm in. Risk on, stops below the inverse, low, yeah, inverse. If it comes back, it's a bad trade. Look how price come back to this inverse. It didn't come back to the inverse until like forever, and that's wild. That's wild, bro. See, like, I don't know if I should do that, honestly. Cause like maybe you're right though, cause it could have just kept going, and it would have never actually came back and tested that for everybody gap. Cause I would have waited till it got that break, then came back into this favorite gap, then took my entry from there. That's what I would have done. But to this inverse after a while and respected this slow respects it. When you see this price action. Pop back up. You can go big. Dang. So do you recommend like me doing that? I don't know. Like even if so boom, we see this huge inverse with high volume. So okay, what instance would it be bad to take this trade? Because we see, I recommend watching it. Spotting it. I didn't know that was a specific benefit trading after XFA though. If this inverse doesn't exist, the double bottom just grinds, like on the left of it. I see. Okay, yeah. I see. 100%. So it's either it respects it or it doesn't, and that's it. Like either it makes an inverse by eating it and going higher, or it just basically enters off the fair value gap, or it just respects it and goes back down. I see. Like on the left, left of it, bullish side is grinding above, then the inverse pop bot gets violated. Wait. So boom, breaks. If you don't get inverse here on double bottom, you don't take it. Okay, so when taking a fair value gap continuation, I'm looking for an inverse. Hold on. Let me write this, bro, because I honestly I gotta get better at trading like right now, and I gotta get my risk down, and I need this to change everything for me, right? So dang it. Wait, hold on. Wait, actually I don't need to do that, because I got one right here. Hold on. So double bottom, you don't take it. So how all these candles have wicks into all of them? Dang. Okay, wait. So let me put this right. So these are the steps, right? Step 1, right? First step is basically so step 1, wait for double bottom to appear, identify a level which is likely to form. Hold on. First step is get your level on chart. First step is to get your level on the chart. Wait for a price to come back to it. Spot a reversal model with the inverse volume gap violated, bullish or bearish. So All right, what do you mean by get your level on chart? Do you mean like the highs and lows marked up? What do you mean? All right, so it's on 30-minute. I don't know where that double. Let's just do this real quick. This a Mayo. Oh no. Is this the right? Hold on, G. Hold on. Make sure this is the right one. May 24th. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, should be. Hold on. Wait. Let me just make sure I'm. Hold on. Hold on. 1 minute. That's not. Is this the same thing? Yeah. Yeah. It's the same thing, right? 5 minute. No. Wait. Hold on, bro. Wait. Hold on. This isn't the same thing. I don't think. Nah. This is not the same thing. This is Tuesday. This is not the same thing, but before we get into the other part, I want to look at this example. This is choppy. It's crazy. I want to do more examples, but okay, let me just hold on. Go all the way back. I want to do more examples because I need to kind of like figure this out a little bit more. Where are we at? I'm trying to go back to the area and go on a 30-minute. Oh my gosh. This is Tuesday. We were on the 1 minute, right? Yeah, 1 minute. Is this not it? It looks like it is, but it's not. Tuesday. That's Monday. Is it further down? Oh yeah, okay, this is it. Yeah, this is it. Right here. This is a Monday. Or look at screenshot. Yeah, you're right. My bad, bro. Acting stupid as hell. So confuzzled on this strategy. Or this inverse. Yeah, 21st, 9:10. Hold on. I know. Being stupid. 21st, so it's further out, yeah. This is a dinosaur right there. So that's Sunday. Hold on, bruh. I know. Bro, this is why I'm stupid. Exactly why. Am I dumb? Dumb, stupid. Stupid. Yeah, I was on replay. Retarded. Alright. Here it is, bro. Here we go. Now, I'm going to put replay back on. Boom. Let's go to the 30-minute. Right? 30-minute. You're on replay. Look. Okay, look. All these equal lows. Never mind. Let me go back. Because you're talking about the equal lows now. Hold on. Alright. Alright, we're on a 30-minute now. 30-minute. Tuesday is down here. Right here. This is Tuesday. This is Tuesday right here. Right? Equal low, equal low. Left is a bullish order block. It's right here. This is the level you want to spot. Yeah, bro, this trading stuff is getting even more complicated when price comes back to it, right? Alright, so I used to trade supply and demand. I actually did used to trade supply and demand, but I don't anymore, right? So this right here, right? You want to, this is the level you want to spot when price comes back to it. Are you saying for just, yeah, okay. Yeah, this is a key level. 1 tap, 2 tap, 3 tap, like all these taps. You want to use this. Okay. So I'm using this so when price comes back to it. So I'm using this because it's a key level because it taps so many times, right? You want to spot the model on the 1 minute. Right, so I'm expecting it to come back down to this fair value gap. Take my entry after encroachment. After I get a market structure shift, come to the top. Right, we're expecting it to come to the top. I'll take my TP out. Then I'm waiting for it to sweep back down. So sweep the high, come back down, market structure shift, and back down to this supply, this demand zone, or this key level, right? It will create a bit of a lower high. Collect orders. Then sweep above. Then come back down with volume. Okay. Stall there. Collect orders. Then sweep above, right? I can guarantee you the price won't go right away. In the box above, it will create a bit of a lower high. Stall there, collect orders, then sweep above, then come back down with volume. This is my play for next week. Everything is on this top box. So this is what we expected to reach. This is where we wanted to sell off from. And this is where we want to take our entry. So isn't this like ERL, IRL? So this is the high tops, low tops. Take our entries in the middle and we target these areas, right? This is basically like a big zone. Yeah, ERL, IRL. Okay. I just learned that not too long ago, maybe like a week or two ago. You have to spot a model. Jeez, yo, I gotta get better. I'm trash. I gotta get better, yeah. Like this is to take this trade. Do you only trade NQ? NQES? You're starting, but watch, Joseph. Learn the patterns. NQ and ES for divergence. I don't know what YM is. When I came to futures, like I came to futures maybe 2-3 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago? 3 weeks ago? Honestly, like 2 weeks ago in like a couple of days. I don't know what YM is. Oh, Dow. Oh, it's US 30. Or not US 30. Dow Jones. That's what it is. I didn't know that. Dow Jones. Okay. What do you recommend? Like what I do? Do you recommend like NQ, Dow Jones? What do you recommend? Cause like kind of like now I'm doing. Okay, you just told me basically how I need to take fair value gap continuations, right? Off an inverse. Stick with NQ. It's moving. Okay, bet. So basically, you just taught me how to take entries off inverse fair value gaps, and I can use it with my strategy, right? Also, I showed you the silver bullet or the you know the whatever little thing I did. I don't want to say silver bullet, but the silver bullet, whatever. I know how to do that, so I can still do that trade as well. I just gotta be patient, right? So the two things so the one thing you showed me and the thing I showed you, you think that will last for the long run? Like, can I use that to actually get funded? What do you think my main problem is? Is it just like my risk management and me not sticking with the plan? Or what? Like, I mean, you haven't really seen the consistency. Okay, yeah, exactly. I think I can execute. It's just not consistent. You are not consistent. Exactly. Yeah, facts. With the risk, yeah, 100%. I'm not consistent. I think honestly, this little thing you just showed me with the top step is gonna help tremendously. But this right here I don't really know about, so I'm not even gonna touch it. But you can execute if you take 100 trades. You can't execute if you take 100 trade break even. True, yeah, facts. And I've definitely been a break even trader, because like I'll win $600 trade, then lose 200 and 200 again. You know what I'm saying? It's crazy. Not linear SL and risk. That's so, yeah, you're fact. Yeah, that's facts, bro. Yeah, you're 100% facts, bro. So yeah, so that my consistency is just off. Like I know I can execute. It's just like the things that come with it, I'm just failing at. So I gotta make sure, like, okay, cool, top step. Now, okay, I got my risk down. I know exactly what I'm risking. Yesterday I wrote exactly what I needed on my little whiteboard, and I basically made up a whole new plan. I made up a whole new plan like yesterday. Made up a whole new plan, so I know exactly what I need to do, right? So boom, that's gonna help. But now, okay, cool. Now I got another strategy to my arsenal to use. What's up, Manish? How you doing, bro? I can show you the trade I took on top step combines. Yeah, let me see him, bro, because I just, yeah, for sure. I gotta lock in. I really need to lock in. Gotta get my consistency down. So I want to keep back testing the two things I just learned, or the one thing I know about and the one other thing I just learned. I need to keep back testing these so I can see exactly what I need to do. But basically, this is what I do, short or long. Huh? Huh? I got two videos to watch. C24 May. Oh, Friday? 3:10. You trade at 3 o'clock p.m. 3:10. Oh, right here. Hold on, let me replay. 5 minute or 1 minute? What is 3:10? Is that like PM session? Open of London? This is my favorite setup. Wait, 3:10. 3:10 a.m. or 3:10 a.m. of 3:10 a.m. not 3:10 p.m. And the 24th. Go to 2 a.m. 2 a.m. is right here. You're on replay. Hello, I am Indian. I am black. Let me see. How you doing, bro? Manish. Welcome to the backtesting session. Zoro's giving me a lesson. All right, so go to 3 a.m. Hold on. 24th May. 2 a.m. I said 3 a.m. right here. Right, right here. So this is boom, right? I'm on the 5-minute. Right here, right? Boom. So this is where you're looking at. Mark the start of 2 a.m. candle market. Yeah, right there, right? So you trade London session. Go back to 1 hour candles. Right here. So you trade London session. That's cool. I trade New York session. Yeah, that's right here. Zoom in. You caught the whole move. I want to see exactly what you took, bro. Like, I wanna also, like, how long. Zoom that candle. Delete that line. Zoom in on this candle. Like this. Mark the low. Actually, let me turn the little thingy on so I don't. Boom, mark the low. And the open of the 3 a.m. candle. Isn't that the open? Or am I stupid? No. This is the close. How about that? Okay. I had to think about it. Go back to 1 minute chart. I can see. So, ooh, my gosh, look at this. If I was watching this, bro. Boom. So we see it inversed. It's choppy. Wait, hold on. What do I see? Before you even. This is like a whole bunch of BS. Double bottom. Wait. Look at these lows left. 1, 2, 3 low. 1, 2, 3. These. 1, 2, 3. There's no double bottom there. This is engineering. Look at the sweep. Look at the sweep with volume below. This. The 2 a.m. low. 2 a.m. low. So this is a 2 a.m. low right here, right? After the 2 a.m. low. After 3 a.m. open. So this right here. So boom. Oh, okay. So boom. Came down. 3 a.m. open. It broke. Actually, no. This is the low. Came up. This is 3 o'clock right here. 3 a.m. opens right here, actually. This is the low. Tap right into these lows. Yeah, it did. So boom. This is the 2 a.m. open right here. Or 2 a.m. right? 2 a.m. low. 3 a.m. open. Came up, popped up. Yeah, so boom. Violated inverse. Since it inversed, It came with a big selling pressure down. Broke the 2 a.m. low. After it broke 2 a.m. Huh?
Still judging. You still on the phone?
Yeah, I'm on the stream. What's up?
Nothing.
Hey, we'll talk about when I get in there, okay? Just give me 15 more minutes.
Well, I took some sleeping medicine, so hopefully I don't get knocked out. I don't know if it would, though. It might not do that.
I'm being there. Don't worry.
Okay. I just gotta laugh it off sometimes. I give you this. You okay?
The candle that break the low is the inverse. Oh, this one. Yeah. Breaks the 2 a.m. low. This is the inverse candle, right? Huh. Wait. Why is this the inverse? Because I thought. Why is this the inverse? This is really choppy. Like, what do you even think about because they broke the lows? Zoom out, bro. There we go. Because it broke the lows. But, okay, on this one, this is just a different instance, right? On this one, it came up. Oh, so it just broke the highs. It broke market structure shift, basically, right? Then it came. Wait, no, slow down, bruh. It's just a different model. So this is what I'll be looking for the double bottom. And what actually makes this a double bottom then? Because I thought maybe because it's not like you said this was engineering because I guess just because it's so choppy and stuff. It's not really. It's technically I can see it's kind of like technically not a double bottom, but what makes a look at the lows of the 2 a.m. candle hour. It's a whole hour of making lows. Alright, so this is the 2 a.m. candle, right? A whole hour of making lows. 1, 2, 3 lows. Now go back to the 1 minute. Back to the 1 minute. Right. 1, 2. Oh, wait. wait. 1. Huh. It's kind of similar. Wait. What the? It's kind of similar. So is this the trap you were telling me about? You now see a sweep above to push below. Sweep above. Oh, okay. Is this the trap? Okay, I think oh my gosh, bro. So displacement, right? They top London retail, both slides here. Dang, how long have you been trading? Like, bro, I feel like Jesus. Then grind it up. The way I would even like the craziest thing, like I would completely trade this so differently. Like you're taking more of the move. You're taking a lot more of the move. Like I would have waited till I swept this, swept that, came into a gap and bought it up. I would have did that. See the grind, it's the same as the double bottom. Wait, hold on. This. 2, 3. The grind is the price leaving the zone. Oh, order flow flipping bullish. Oh, okay. So the grind is this. So this breaking this point right here, that's the grind. It coming up and shooting to the roof, that's the grind, right? This is breaking the zone, right? Or you saying this right here, the structure shit. Okay. Exactly. Okay. So that's the grind. It breaking the zone. So same thing for this. It broke this 2 a.m. low. Exactly. Yeah. Look at the other model. It still grinds after the tap. So it came up, took out all the buyers because we see that shift. Oh yeah, so like I don't want to over. It's the grind. After the trap, look at how the move up is the open of the 3 a.m. candle. Candle. Oh, yeah. Huh. Wait. So. Oh, wait. So it got to move up. Now it's inverse. It broke this, right? Boo-booed, right? Then this engineer stops below. Sweep. Come sweep with volume. So now you want this candle to be violated to push above. Okay. So it swept the low. 2 a.m. low, it just swept the low. Alright. Now this is the candle we're wanting to be violated. Boom. What's it do? Eventually it violates, right? And you, as soon as it breaks this, like as soon as it comes right here, right? Or it comes right here, right? You're in. This is you entering, right? You're in here, right here. You're putting your short or your long. Boom, right there, and you're targeting. Let's put it at the lows. I like to do all the way at the low, but you say just put it at the below the inverse. I'll put it right there, and you just target. I don't know what you target, but target whatever. For a push above, this confirms the order blocks of the institution trading London. I'm in. And you're going for a 1 to 2? What are you going for? I'm targeting the next zone. I called the whole move today. I mean Friday. Jeez, the whole zone. Jeez. So if that was me, that is crazy. That is actually stupid wild. That actually gives me a lot more context. So what I would probably do is sweep Asian highs. That's what I'll be looking for. Cause that was what I used to trade. I got like 30 RR on this trade. Oh my lord. See, excuse my language, Father God. I'm gonna use your name in vain. So dang, wait. Nah, bro, I gotta really understand this. After I saw the grind pop up. Alright, so I gotta really understand this, right? For me personally, I'm not trading the London session or 2 a.m. to 3 a.m. I'm not really trading that, so I don't gotta really worry about it. But so your target was, so at this point you see this fair value gap. Personally, I feel like my target would have been probably like this, honestly. The London session is a beast for continuation. Dang, bro. You know what's crazy? Because I just put my 2 weeks at my job. You want the order block? Oh, so you're targeting this? Above the volume gaps. Above. You're targeting this? This is a volume gap, right? Are you talking this? Last bull candle? Oh, so you're talking in yo, you are targeting that. Gee, dang. Wait, before the job. So you're targeting the, dang. Personally, I would have targeted this fair value gap. I would probably just target this. See, that's probably why I'm not, like, I'm missing a lot of money doing that though, huh? Like a lot. I don't know, bro. I just like fair value gaps, man. The volume gaps are there to get filled. So this right here is a volume gap, right? All this BS, right? All this is boo-boo, right? And you're targeting above imbalance. Throw that away. What moved the market? Are you asking what moves the market? But buyers and sellers, or what do you think? The big orders came in. Oh, yeah. Big, yeah. So you are targeting this. All this right here is just, this zone right here is trash, right? This whole zone is boo-boo. You want this whole zone to get taken out. Oh, wait. Also, so it makes sense because you're targeting that as well, because we have this key level right here. And we also have all these gaps. And this is a zone. You have a gap above here. Personally, I would target the gap. You say to kind of get rid of the gaps and target order blocks. What is more efficient? Order blocks or gaps or imbalances? Like, what is more efficient? Because if I need to start targeting, because I used to trade supply and demand. So I understand that. Order blocks, not that. I understand that. But I feel like I think I have more of a last 12-15 candle. I think I have more of a win rate. Probably just taking entries at fair value gaps and not targeting them. But that's one of my trade ideas, strategies, or whatever. Last 12-15 candle with power. 12-15. Oh, right here. Huh. I wonder why is that? Like, why specifically the 12-15 candle with power though? Is because, oh yeah, because this is the order block that made the move, right? So this order block right here basically made the move to the downside and broke this and had a market structure shift, right? So boom, that's why you're targeting that. So this is like a very strong key level. That's why you see it came up to this area and just fitted around until it eventually comes and sweep this and comes up. I gotta start trading supply and demand again, bro. Yo, I think my problem was like with supply and demand is I wasn't getting the right entries. See, like, but now I know like how to get the right entries with fair value gaps. I might go back to supply and demand, bro. Honestly, like, that is sick. Am I right about that? Because I do know that, yeah, this broke this, right? So this is ICT is trash or something. Fake. Now this whole like analysis is beautiful. This whole analysis is so beautiful. Honestly, like this was amazing. Like I think I can still kind of use the silver bullet like for 1 to 2s and stuff, but I'm definitely gonna use the inverse fair value gaps or imbalances for sure. Cause I just seen 2 instances that it happened. This one right here with double bottom, right? See a double bottom? Well, not specifically to see a double bottom, but I see basically this imbalance. Dang. This high volume imbalance got basically violated. Broken. Enter right here and just let it grind. And I had that marked up there. So that's how I would take that in that instance. I bet it's a lot of different instances, but that's actually sick. Dang, man, I really don't want to get off. I kind of just want to grind, but I got church in the morning. Oh my gosh. Yeah, bro, I gotta do better. Oh my lord. Excuse my language. I gotta stop. Gotta go too. Yeah. Jeez. Yeah, this is. Dang, bro. Yeah, that's fire. Yeah, I appreciate all the help, man. Like, for real. I'm gonna have to come back and watch everything. Watch these 2 videos. I gotta watch kind of this whole stream back a few times. This is actually, yeah, this is fire. Now, yeah, I'm gonna try. Sheesh, Tuesday. Once Tuesday comes around, I'm basically just gonna be looking for this to get tapped into. Wait for a market structure shift from either a inverse fair value gap or or just really kind of just a market structure shift. Wait for that. Try to get a fair value gap entry. I'm not gonna do order blocks because I'm kind of getting used to fair value gaps. Get a fair value gap entry and just target the. Probably just sweep liquidity. Honestly, you say target the highs, target up here, but you said it might take some time, so I'll probably just go for a 1 to 2 and call it. Honestly, I think I want to stick to 1 to 2s. The fair value gap, yeah. I think I'm gonna stick to 1 to 2s, bro. It kind of depends, but yeah. Hey man, I really appreciate you, bro. I'm gonna do like maybe 2 more tests. 2 more tests on the inverse fair value gaps, and another couple more tests on the strategy I learned about. But yeah, that's actually sick. Dang. Let me see. So let's look at last week Thursday, right? Last week Thursday, we have this high, this low. Let's go to the 1 minute. I don't really want to delete all this stuff I have marked up, so I'm just gonna go back. Where is it, bruh? So that's that, and I know there has to be a quicker way to do this, bruh. Come on, man. I think this is it right here. Okay, so if this is the high, low, so the low or high got swept. It got swept. Actually, no, it's right here. Boom. Oh, this might be another instance. See right here, low. Did it? It kind of. It didn't really sweep. It just kind of tapped it, right? So this is a double. This is a double bottom, bro. This has to be a double bottom, right? This is. I mean, it wicked out right at this. So this is another. Then grind. This is the grind. Oh my gosh. It was happens on Thursday. So, boom, came down. It didn't break. We have 2 fat old fair value gaps, or 2 fat imbalances, right? Boom, inverse. right here, take my entry right there as soon as it breaks, like as soon as it breaks, right? Or not even a break, and as soon as it runs above, put my stop loss at the low and target my 1 to 2. And this is my trade. Just like that. Boom. That's it. And it oh, looks like actually I don't get profit, but this is basically what I'm looking for, huh? With this one, I don't really get what I want. I would have to go for like a, I don't know, 1 to 1. Left. Oh, this is old news, so I could just target the old news for a 1 to 1, which honestly that's not the best risk reward, but that's what I would target, just sweeping the old news, honestly. So yeah, that's an easy, simple trade, but to be honest, I wouldn't even be looking for that because I'll really. Oh wait, before you leave, one last question. So when sweeping having a fair value gap violated, right? I only have to put it low of this one, right? Because this is the most. This is like the. Wait. Yeah, most recent one, right? Put it at this low or this one. Usually I'll put the lowest low, but since you say that, honestly, I don't have to do that. I can just put it at the violated fair value gap. I think this is right. This is correct. And I did this one specifically because it's the most recent. Honestly, box this. What do you mean? And if I went for a 1 to 2 for that, I would hit pretty good. Box this. What do you mean? It is hot as shoots. This is, oh bro, this makes me excited for next week, low key. I'm not excited, but I'm just ready to like really see how this works and execute. Like I feel like I have it down packed and I have my risk down packed. I'm not gonna mess up my risk. I always have been patient on waiting for a trade to pop up, but I just don't have the risk and I don't have the consistency. That's my problem. So I'm just ready to actually see this because I see it works. I'm honestly getting very confident so far just from seeing it work from these 2 times and knowing that Silver Bullet works similar to like this. If I get a shift under this or above this, I'll be looking for a market structure shift lower. Or this is, oh my gosh, bro. Yo, that's crazy. Yeah, I'm having some aha moments right now. I'm really having some aha moments, bro. It's crazy. I really appreciate you, for real. What do you mean by boxes though? Yo, ooh, bro. I don't even care, bro. If I can just get XFA, honestly, like F the live funds right now, bro. I just need like quick payout. Consistent box this. Draw. Why am I getting excited, bro? Come on, man. Chill out. Chill. Gotta stop. What do you mean draw? This is actually fire though. I do see an entry I could have taken on the fair value gap. Well, kinda. Not really, honestly. Well, yeah, I could have took this, but I would have missed so much of the move. If I would have took that, yeah, nah, that would have worked. But I had to have my stop loss like below this, and nah, that's honestly not worth it. So that's why you say kind of do it like that. So what I'm gonna do is when I'm taking an inverse, when I see an inverse, or I see basically a fair value gap get violated like this, I'll basically just take it as soon as it breaks and not even think about a fair value gap pull back, or I'm not gonna do that. I'll just take it as soon as it breaks. Do you think that's like, what's your win rate before you leave? Because I'll honestly, like, as soon as it breaks and violates this fair value gap, I'll just take it from there and just have my stop loss right below it. I'll just do that instead, honestly. Only for inverse fair value gaps though. I'd rather just do that, to be honest. It's not really more. I mean, the entry is good, but it's not really about the entry. It's more about where my stop loss is, honestly. And it respected it so perfectly and grinded. Yo, this is actually good. Jeez, that's fire. Let me do one more before I get out of here. Hold on. Let me do one more before I go. Alright, so this is on Wednesday. I think this is the old high. I like to do it on the 1 hour though. Hold on, this is a little bit better for me personally. What day did I do? What day do I want? Not that day. I want this day right here, right? Yo, this is so I have 2 strategies to use now, bro. Wait. Let me finish this, bro. Let me finish writing this so I don't forget. Because I'll mess around and forget. Alright, so step 1, get your levels on your chart, right? Get your levels on chart, right? High and low of last 1 hour candle. Pretty much that. Wait for sweep of no, not really wait for a sweep of low and high, low or high for no, I don't have to say that because this is for specifically fair value gap continuation. So get on your levels on chart, right? High and low of last 1 hour candle, right? Boom. So once I mark that up, I'm looking for basically, if I can just go back and check it out again. This is one example. So he's wait, that's the problem though, because I don't know. I guess it's kind of similar though, right? But if I was wanting to do the same thing, both instances have showed me a buy. For a sell, it's kind of similar. Box draw low. Boxes draw low. Huh? Because those instances have only really been buys. So if I seen a sell, it's just being inverted, right? Basically, I mean, honestly. How do you invert your chart? I forgot. I don't know, but basically the same thing, right? So let's say this was a bearish candle going down. Actually, dumbass. Maybe I can just hold on. I don't know. There's a way to do it, I think. Bro, oh, I gotta get off. I don't want to though, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I'm getting this right now. Like it's coming to my brain. It's like so crazy right now. I don't know. But so basically, it's kind of the same thing. If candle breaks, enter now and have SL below inversion candle. But either way, I mean, honestly, if it doesn't sweep, because I'm looking, basically it's a continuation. I'm not even looking for a sweep in the first place. I'm basically looking for just a continuation. I'm not looking for a sweep. So even if it's swept, I'm not looking for it to happen. So it really wouldn't matter, honestly. If candle breaks now and have a SL below, if candle breaks, comma, enter now and have SL below inversion candle low or high. I said low or high. Low, wait, let's say low for buys or high for sell. I'm saying that like that, right? Boom, right. I think that's kind of it. Get your levels on chart high and last. High and low of last 1 hour candle. Look for fair value gap after. Find fair value gap. Wait for inversion of candle. Fair value gap candle. If candle breaks, enter now and have. Gotta go now. All right, man. Yeah, I appreciate you, bro. I'm gonna be streaming tomorrow again. Cause I'm back testing stuff tomorrow. So I hope to see you, man. I appreciate all your help. I'm finna actually get off too. I just kind of wanted to put this in there. Yeah, this is actually crazy though. I'm about to do so good, bro. Watch. But yeah. That was crazy. That was actually good. That's actually fire. I'm about to run it up, bro. I trust you, man. I really appreciate you, for real. This helped me a lot. And okay, let's say target 15-minute fair value gap or order block or just 1 to 2. I'm just going for 1 and 2s, and I think that's pretty much it. And if I need to go back, I'll just watch the stream, but I think that's pretty much it. Let me test it one more time. Do a quick test. 1 minute, that's all I need. So in this instance, bro, oh my gosh, did it happen again? Voila, right? So tap, didn't break, of course. Just like that. Wait, let me just see without even thinking too deep. Let's just take it right here because that's kind of exactly what happened. Inverse. Put it to low. Let's go for a 1 or 2, and I'll just sweep the high. How about that? Just sweep the high. Let's see. Bro, don't tell me it's gonna hit TP. If it hit, bro, no way. Oh my gosh, this is the holy grail. What does this happen 3 times in a row? What? Nah, no way, bro. It doesn't happen 4 times, does it? No way it happens 4. Wait, hold on, G. Hold on, wait. Hold, no. Hold on. Hold on, bro. Let's try Tuesday. Hold on. Alright. So session already kicked in. We're kind of already past. So in this instance, we tapped up top. Oh, this actually might be the sell instance that we're looking for because we wanted to see something different. In this case, I would actually have to come to the market before to catch this. If I would have came to the market before, we see this liquidity down here. It didn't sweep. It stayed in, right? We would have been watching, boom, 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 whatever it does, inverse. I mean, this is a trade, technically. I mean, it is right the low, and just that is a trade, but that wouldn't be here though. Like, this is old, right? This is at 9 o'clock, so session hasn't even kicked in yet. But honestly, we see it has inverse here, right? Nice inverse, high volume inverse candle, especially compared to these. Look at that. 800, 600, 600, 400, 1,000 inverse. No, not really the pullback. Boom, got in. Breaks above. We have this huge imbalance. We wouldn't have this even marked up, but let's say it was going for 1 to 2. Bro, that would have hit. Wait, nah. See, I see this, and that would have worked, right? But if I was trading specifically in this session, I would have to trade before the session to actually get this trade, or either just not take a trade at all. But we see right at my session, right? As soon as my session kicks in, kind of just continues up. We really don't see tap. It hits the high, it doesn't break. We see this right here, up. We have, that is a pretty nice punch, right? But I don't know if that's good enough, honestly. And this right here, this has 2.6 thousand volume. This has 1.7. Bought up. And okay, yeah, this is actually, wait, no. Wait, am I tripping? This is not old highs, or is it? Wait, yeah, wait, hold on. I think I'm misreading too much, thinking too deep. Let's go back to the 1 hour. This is old highs. Old high. It swept old highs. Okay. Boom. Tap. We. Oh, wait, yeah. So tap right here. Came back down. Now we don't really get the break. I would like to see this break. This kind of broke, but it's not a strong break. So volume matters. Remember, Zoro told me volume. Breaks right here, but the volume is terrible. So this is not valid. Terrible, right? For everybody got. Not for everybody got imbalance. Breaks this market structure shift. That's not what I'll be looking for though, huh? I would actually probably be looking for like this right here. We see it keeps the, doesn't break liquidity. Triple taps here. And why does it stay up? Is it because of this imbalance? High sell down, like crazy sell down. Sweeps this liquidity, comes to this fair value gap. That's not really a fair value gap, never mind. Comes down. Sweeps liquidity. I'm kind of feeling like this is why. It's not a strong structure break here on Tuesday. Honestly, this is not really the best. This is a very strong candle. 2.3 thousand. We have it just wigged out here, right? We have it just wigged out. So this is pretty strong. This is a strong area because it keeps tapping over and over and over. We don't get a break yet, right? We finally get that break right here. And it grinds, right? 2. And these are pretty strong candles on the 1 minute. But on the 5 minute, it probably looks a little bit better, right? Let me see. Go back. I lost it. I want to see on the 5 minute, bro. because I feel like the 5 minute. Oh, there we go. So on the 5 minute, it's keeping this structure like wild right now, because it didn't want to break at all. Just buying, kind of choppy. I would like to see it sweep this, but it didn't sweep. So, oh yeah, on the 5 minute looks a lot better. Bought up, tap, bought down, ate it, right? It ate it, came down, tapped into here, came back up, tapped into that, came back down. This is just terrible. I would never trade it for Tuesday. This is like meh. Eventually we see that, okay, breaks, finally break structure, break highs. So what we would personally be looking for, I feel like, on this Tuesday would be Silver Bullet, because even though we have this right here, boom, so we finally get that break above, right? Then we run, we grind, right? Came back down. We don't really have a structure shift. I mean, we do, but it's just a lot of big candles. Like, it's kind of just meh. I don't really like that. And it's keeping this level like crazy. I feel like it's because of this. Like, what else? I don't know, but yeah, I probably just would never trade this day, honestly. It's just a bad look, honestly. So I think Tuesday we'll just skip out. We eventually got a break above, but it's just the candles are just telling me something different. And just the fact it's not trying to break this at all. It's kind of just like, I don't know. And it eventually comes back up and just sold right back off, right? It's just kind of boo-boo. I don't like Tuesday. Only trade I would have caught was this right here. It's because we see that the low, the start of the candle low didn't do anything. We had this crazy fair value gap, and it just gets broken above and just shoots to the moon for a 1 to 2. That's what I would have taken, because all this just looks like trash. Just to fill this fair value gap, that's what I would have took. So that's not bad, but we see a lot of instances like that, obviously. But if we go to the 15 minute, what do we see though in there? This is, yeah, I don't like it. This is a bad price action, honestly. We got this little fair value gap too, but no. This is a bad Tuesday. I wouldn't trade Tuesday, honestly. Unless it was that move right there, but I'm gonna call it a day. I'm sleepy. I gotta use the bathroom, so I really appreciate everybody that joined though today. Me streaming a lot more. I gotta get these accounts back to profit. We got a lot of instances that we used today that we back tested, so I think that's good. So now we can actually go back and maybe take screenshots of them. See, we got one right here on the 1 minute. See, we got one right here of one instance. So Jaden, make sure you come back and look at these videos and stuff. Been streaming for a while, so we have one instance that we're actually gonna go ahead and do this, and we see it eventually grinds to the moon, right? So we see in this instance we got the 2 a.m. 2 a.m. low, right? 3 a.m. open, and it gets swept. We see boom, and it gets destroyed, right there. MSS mark structure shift, and we just take our energy there, and we just swing for the tops. TP. that's pretty simple. We'll put that right there, and we're gonna wait. We're gonna tear Top Step up this week, bro. Okay, and oh yeah, in this instance we can see the same thing. So got the high, the low marked up. We see we gotta be really patient on these trades. We see this is in between. This is like, yeah. So 9:30 open, right? We see that it buys up, comes back down. And we get an entry in between because it breaks this. Technically, it didn't. So we're looking for either break above or break below. We don't get either, right? So now we're thinking continuation. At this point, we're thinking continuation, right? Boom, goes up. We don't really see anything. We see a market structure shift below, but honestly, right there, we're really not looking for that because we wanted to break something. We're not breaking anything, right? Boom. So remember this, Jaden. We don't have a break. Get your levels on chart. 1 hour. High and low of last 1 hour candle. Look for fair value gap. Define fair gap. Wait for invasion. If no break. If there is a break in high or low, you are not looking for continuation. We are looking for the FBG cone. We are looking for silver bullets. So specifically on this level, we see right here. Let's get the text tool. So we got, this is the imbalance we're looking for. Where's the arrow, bruh? So we got this right here. Okay. This right here, right? So boom, this is the imbalance we're talking about. I need a hero. This right here. Broke. Break. There we go. SL below inversion fair value gap. Which is right here. And put the green line right there. And change the color to red. Actually, I'll change it to white. So this is the double. This is a double. Double bottom model example. Perfect. I know it looks like a lot, but I basically explained everything I need to explain to myself. Now I can just kind of run off with it. Wow. I definitely locked in today. I don't really want to delete none of this, but I kind of got to. Honestly, because, yeah. I wonder if I can find one more example that I had marked up. I think down here. Right over here. So with this one, we got a tap. Yeah, same thing.
Make some money off that problem on Thursday. And I have a number of trades I'm tracking for tomorrow. I'm going to cover all my favorite trade setups in the video tonight. I want to make sure you guys have a game plan to make some money on Thursday. Now, before we jump in and talk about trades for tomorrow, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I don't want you to miss tomorrow night's video, so make sure you subscribe. And if you like these lessons, if you enjoy these videos, hit that like button for me. Give me a shout out down in the comment section. Thank you so much for tuning in.
All right, so before I start watching this video, this is a great example because we don't have a double top or a double bottom here, which I just had the example I put right here, which is kind of the best for me. So this is a double bottom model for a fair value gap continuation, and I kind of want to duplicate and put. I can put these everywhere. Oh yes, yes. Let me just do this. I don't want to finish without. It's gonna be 12 o'clock when I get done. I gotta wake up really early though. But I don't want to stop. I really just don't. I want to do one more. After I've marked this up, I want to do one more. So with this specifically, we have a tap below. Got our high and low marked up. See, we tapped the low. We didn't break. We got this right here. that we eventually do break. And this right here means break above making this right. Yeah, I think that's really about it, bro. It's that simple. Tapped. To me, this is just a tap because it didn't break. If it went above, then that's a tap. Right. We also didn't have a fair value gap to really even target. So that's why I couldn't take this even as a fair value gap silver bullet continue or silver bullet. I couldn't take it as that. All right. Now that is there, we also can be looking for the Silver bullet, but we gotta get off. We gotta go to sleep. So yeah, I appreciate. I can't speak. Appreciate everyone for joining. You know, I got a lot of backtesting in. I got a lot of session in today. Found a new strategy that I like and am confident with. We're just gonna run with it, boys. So I really appreciate everyone for joining. And yeah, that's really about it. Appreciate Zero. Appreciate Christopher. Manish. Everyone. Appreciate you all. And yeah, we're gonna get to this bag. We're gonna just do our thing, you know. Yeah, bro. Maybe I should come look at this right quick. See what this trade. Let's go to 15. Don't really have anything to even mark here. We got this, but this is kind of like not really what we're looking for, honestly. This could be something. This could also, yeah, could work. Let's go to the 1 minute. So we're looking for a break below for a silver bullet. And we don't get it. And we get basically this right here. This is before our session even started. So boom, we get the break. Basically the same thing, inversion right there. What happens is it starts running straight to TP. Okay, comes back down. It's all good. We got the risk in. Session kicks in and it runs right to my TP, and that's it. So yeah, that's simple. So I'm done for the night, guys. I'm a over test honestly and get sleepy and crash. So I appreciate everyone for joining, and yeah, that's about it, man. Take it easy, boys, and we'll be back. Thanks.